Welcome to a journey of discovery, where we unveil the ongoing, mind-blowing projects reshaping the beautiful island of Jamaica. Today, we delve into an assortment of fascinating endeavors, from urban development projects transforming the face of Kingston, to ingenious ecological conservation efforts preserving Jamaica's natural wonders, to innovative tourism initiatives revolutionizing the quintessential Jamaican experience. So buckle up, as we take you on an exciting ride through the vibrant and ever-evolving island of Jamaica. Our first stop is the bustling city of Kingston, where urban development is in full swing. Kingston, the heart of Jamaica, is undergoing a dramatic transformation, with a multitude of projects reshaping its urban landscape. Here, the port of Kingston, one of the largest natural harbors in the world, is experiencing a significant expansion. This project aims to extend the port's capacity, promising to boost local economy and create numerous employment opportunities. It's not just about business, though. This expansion will also enhance the city's connectivity, making Kingston an even more vibrant hub for trade and tourism. Moving inland, new business districts are springing up across the city. These new districts are envisioned to be the nerve centers of Kingston's commercial activities, attracting both local and international businesses. And it's not just about glass and steel structures. These districts will feature green spaces and pedestrian-friendly areas, promoting a work-life balance that's so essential in today's world. The city's infrastructure is also being modernized. From transport networks to public utilities, every aspect is being upgraded to meet the demands of a growing city. This includes an efficient public transportation system, reliable power and water supplies, and state-of-the-art communication networks. But what's truly fascinating about the new Kingston is how it blends the old with the new and the traditional with the modern. Amidst all this development, the city's rich cultural heritage and iconic landmarks still shine through. Kingston is not just building for the future, it's also preserving its past. Indeed, the new Kingston promises to be a thriving urban hub, blending the old with the new and the traditional with the modern. Now, let's venture into the heart of the island, where Jamaica's natural wonders are being preserved for future generations. As we journey through the lush greenery, it's impossible to ignore the remarkable efforts being made to conserve Jamaica's ecological treasures. The island, a vibrant tapestry of biodiversity, is home to a myriad of species, many of which are unique to its shores. The fight to protect them is a crucial one, and the dedication to this cause is as strong as the island's spirit itself. Take, for instance, the restoration of coral reefs. These underwater ecosystems, often referred to as the rainforest of the sea, are vital to the health of our oceans. In Jamaica, a concerted effort is being made to nurse these reefs back to health, ensuring they continue to thrive and support countless marine species. But the conservation efforts don't stop there. The island's endangered species, from the Jamaican iguana to the black-billed parrot, are also receiving much-needed attention. Dedicated conservationists work tirelessly to protect these creatures, their habitats, and their future. Through their efforts, these species are given a fighting chance against extinction, and then there's sustainable agriculture. In an island where farming is woven into the fabric of daily life, promoting sustainable practices is key. From organic farming methods to innovative water conservation techniques, Jamaica is sowing the seeds for a greener tomorrow. These endeavors are more than just preservation. They're about fostering a sustainable symbiosis between humans and nature, about ensuring that the island's natural wonders continue to captivate and inspire for generations to come. These efforts not only preserve Jamaica's unique biodiversity, but also ensure a sustainable future for the island. Finally, we delve into the innovative tourism initiatives that are revolutionizing the Jamaican experience. A myriad of groundbreaking projects are reshaping the way we experience this vibrant island, and today, we're going to explore just a few of them. First on the agenda, we have the development of ecotourism resorts. These resorts are more than just a place to rest your head after a long day of exploring. They're designed to harmonize with the natural beauty of Jamaica, offering guests a unique opportunity to immerse themselves in the island's rich biodiversity. From treehouse lodges nestled in the heart of the rainforest to eco-luxury villas that blend seamlessly into the coastal landscape, these resorts are setting a new standard for sustainable tourism. Next, we turn our attention to the promotion of cultural tourism. Jamaica's vibrant culture is one of its greatest attractions, and there are a host of initiatives aimed at celebrating and sharing this with the world. From immersive reggae music experiences to tours of historic sites and districts, cultural tourism is providing visitors with a deeper understanding and appreciation of Jamaica's rich heritage. Finally, let's not forget about the thrill seekers among us. The introduction of new adventure tourism activities is adding an extra layer of excitement to the Jamaican experience. Whether it's zip-lining through the lush canopy of the rainforest, rafting on the rapid rivers, or exploring the depths of the ocean, there's no shortage of adrenaline-pumping activities to choose from. These initiatives are not only enhancing the tourist experience, but also promoting the cultural and natural richness of Jamaica. Each project, each initiative, each innovation is a testament to the island's commitment to sustainable tourism and its dedication to showcasing the authentic Jamaican experience in all its vibrant, diverse, and exhilarating glory. We've journeyed through the urban landscapes, the natural wonders, and the innovative tourism initiatives that are reshaping Jamaica. As we've seen, the face of this vibrant island is being transformed in ways both big and small. We've witnessed the ambitious urban development in New Kingston, where architectural marvels are rising from the ground to create a modern, bustling cityscape. This project isn't just about constructing impressive buildings, it's about building a stronger economy and providing opportunities for Jamaicans. In the realm of ecological conservation, we've explored the initiatives working tirelessly to preserve Jamaica's natural wonders. These efforts are crucial in maintaining the island's unique biodiversity and ensuring that future generations can enjoy the same beautiful landscapes we do today. And let's not forget the innovative tourism projects revolutionizing the Jamaican experience. From immersive cultural programs to sustainable travel options, these initiatives are redefining what it means to vacation in Jamaica. Each of these projects carries its own kind of marvel, a testament to Jamaica's resilience, creativity, and commitment to progress. They're reshaping the island, bettering the lives of its people, and showcasing the true spirit of Jamaica to the world. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Which of these ongoing projects in Jamaica do you find the most mind-blowing? Share your thoughts in the comments below.